can you tell me what this weed is and how to kill it? I've used Roundup and it killed it, but it has come back. It has some mean seeds on it. They will stick you in your foot if you don't have your shoes on, and they hurt. This is Gracie in Somerville, Tennessee. So what kind of weed we think that is?
I don't know if it's stigma, is it Burweed or something?
Yeah, lawn burweed.
Burweed, okay, then I know it is a stick thing on there. So yeah.
Right, and here's the thing, it's actually a winter weed.
Winter weed, okay.
Yeah, it's a winter weed, you know. So of course when it starts to get hot, it will go away. It will drop seeds.
She was in what grass? In the Bermuda grass?
And it's in her, Bermuda. Well, she didn't say what grass. She didn't say. She didn't say. Okay, then, yeah. Right, she didn't say exactly. But yeah, if it's in Bermuda or Georgia, you can use, of course, a chemical.
But a lot of times when it goes, if it's a winter weed, the Bermuda grass should be going dormant when it come out of there, and then she might be able to go out there and put it out there. You can pull it out. Get your thing, try to get it out of there. Since the burweed on there, it probably might have a lot of seeds on there. She might want to make sure she try to don't shake it when you get out of moving around and stuff in there.
It's gonna have a lot of seeds.
A lot of seeds on there. You might do that. And like I said, she might want to use a chemical. Like I said, she tried Roundup and stuff that didn't work on that. But I try to get it out of there if it's move to lunch. But she's in there.
Yeah, I would go with the pre-emerge first, though. Go with the pre-emerge first in the fall, because this is a winter weed that we're talking about. So yeah, go with that. If it's still there, still persists, then of course, she's tried to spray it with Roundup, spot spray it. Okay, that's fine. You're gonna have to continue to do that. But again, we want you to grow a thick stand of grass. Make sure you have the right grass species for the area, and that should crowd out the burweed because it has spine-tipped burrs in the leaf axils.
I done seen
right. So I actually have it in my yard.
Oh, you do? Okay.
So it can stick you out in the yard barefooted. Yeah, there's no doubt about that.
She said she's spraying it around though. She might be spraying it when it's real cold and Roundup might not be affected on there. Maybe. Need to read the label on there and see what temperature range on when you start spraying it in the grass. Because you might be spraying it just not working.
Could be. Could be, but I always like to go to
cultural practice first. That's the best thing to do, to get that grass and soil test and all that.
Do all of that
to make sure the pitch and everything is correct on there. And because the grass, weed will grow anything when the grass is not suitable for the lawn, it just come in there.
Weed is looking for space.
In the space,
Right, so if you have any space, you have a weak stand of grass, the weeds
come in there,
going to try to get in there to outcompete those grasses. So I think if you do that, then think about your pre-emerges. And then, of course, if you can't get it, then you have to go with a post-emerge and just read and follow the label on whatever product that you're going to use. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.